Hello everyone, hope you all are doing fine. Today I am going to show you how to make prawn malai curry. This is a very famous Bengali dish. Any guest come to our house, we usually prepare this dish. Call it chingri malai curry. This is a very tasty dish. You must try this. I will show you all the process. Before starting with the process, I want to say if you have not subscribed my channel, please make it sure to subscribe my channel Antra's Lifestyle and Passion and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time. And don't skip the video, see the whole video. I'm sure you will like this. Let's get started with the process. The first of all, we have to marinate this prawn with little bit of turmeric and salt. So I am adding little bit of turmeric and salt to this prawn. This is a big size prawn. First of all, devein this prawn. We make it sure that the prawn is clean and deveined. See, all my prawns are clean. I am using my hand. My hand are washed. Ingredients needed to make this prawn malai curry. First of all, I have taken tomato, few pieces of ginger, this is garlic, 2 chilies, this is coriander leaf to garnish, this is onion. We have to make it a fine paste and don't throw this coriander stem. It's very nutritious. You should grind it with this tomato, ginger, garlic and chili. And here I have taken some coriander powder, some garam masala, turmeric, jeera, and this cardamom, this is cloves, and this is
Friends, dalchini is also known as cinnamon stick.
It's usually called dalchini. And this is Kashmiri red chili powder. So, if you don't have any coconut in your house, scrape out the coconut and make a milk out of that. So you have this option, coconut milk powder. It is very good. It is very easy to use and you can make this recipe anytime.
Friends, you can add Maggi coconut milk powder to those dishes which need coconut milk and it gives a malai type of texture to the curry.
All this you have to need some hot water and make it a slurry. Take out completely from this packet. Add some hot water to it. Nothing else required, only the hot water, and make it a paste. See, I have already made it. Now I have taken one kadhai with a lid and now turn on the flame. See, I have turned on the flame and the whole process you have to use mustard oil for this recipe. And now I will fry this prawn little bit, not too much, otherwise.
Friends, don't fry the prawn too much, otherwise it will become hard. You have to fry this only for a few minutes.
Taken one mixer jar and first I will paste this onion. So I will paste this onion. I have taken a fine onion paste. The paste should be very fine. Now to make the paste jar. A fine paste with all those ingredients. The paste should be fine. This look green in color due to the coriander stem. I have already remember this dish will be prepared by mustard oil only. No other oil is needed. Let the oil heat up. Now at this stage, I will take out all the prawns from the pan. Don't fry the prawns too much. Out all the prawns from the kadai. And to this remaining oil only, we will prepare. I'm adding some more mustard oil to this. Let the oil heat up. Then we will add one by one whole spices. Like I'm adding jeera, cumin seed, a whole garam masala, now I am adding this onion paste. Now after frying this onion paste, I will add this paste also. This is tomato, ginger, garlic and the coriander stem. We will add to this. Stir it well. I am going to add salt according to the taste. Mix it. I am adding all the powdered masala. Turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala. And I'm adding all these. Don't add too much of salt because while we have marinated the prawn with salt and turmeric, so it will become too salty. Add a little bit of sugar to it so that it becomes little bit of sweeter. Let all the masalas cook properly. All the oils come out from this masala first. Then I will add the Maggi coconut milk. See, the oil is started coming out. That means the masala is properly cooked. Then we will add that Maggi coconut milk powder. It will just enhance the taste as you add to this. See, many times I do with this instant Maggi coconut milk powder. Taste remain the same. Nowadays we don't have so much of time to come take out the milk from the coconut. Whenever you want to try this recipe, you apply that Maggi coconut milk powder. Now I added the prawn also. Now the malai curry is done. Don't stir too much, otherwise all this will come out. And lastly we add some coriander leaf to this and switched off the gas. And my dish is ready. So if you like my recipe of chingri malai curry or prawn malai curry, please give me one like and share it with your friends and family. See you on my next video. Till then, thanks for watching.